The tests that were held were totally held in a board-like environment.
I would like to thank Maths sir, Roshanal sir, who made me believe in myself. And as I was weak in maths, he was the one who boosted me.
Manish sir is the real motivator and a great person.
I think that smart work is more essential than hard work because if we utilize the time from the beginning, we can achieve great success in board exams. You may have some blue moments in life, but go out, express yourself, meet friends, and then get back to studies. And you can taste success in your board exams.
My older daughter is now again topped 12th and scored a great percentage and ranked second just because her concepts and her doubts were all very, very clear when she was enrolled in 10th. My younger daughter, she found UT great experience in the test series where she could time her papers very well, and the admin staff is really, really great and have great patience. And any time they miss the test, I used to call Ravinder sir or Harsha ma'am that please accommodate. And I've never heard a no from them. Always yes, anytime, whatever works for you according to your schedule, you're most welcome. So any friend of mine, if asked for suggestion, where should we enroll our kids, I would blindfoldly say UT is the place where the kids should be enrolled.
Just 3-4 months before, I was unable to solve most of the questions of the board exams. But then when the UT final paper started, like 80 marks papers, then the questions began to repeat and my confidence increased. In various subjects like maths, physics and chemistry, the questions from the UT test papers, like they were repeated almost in the board exam.
When he joined UT series, even I was asking him how this UT series will help you. Will it waste your time? But I found this UT series will really make him something different.
As we all know, practice makes a man perfect. UT has made me evolve as a winner, which has made my mind clear, crystal clear, with which I could appear for the board exams.
I had prepared for the UT test thoroughly, and when it was the time for the boards, I just had to browse through my books as no page was left unturned for me. So, as there is a saying that at times our own light goes out and it is rekindled by a spark. So, I'm very happy and very grateful to UT for being that spark and lighting the flame in me.
UT gives every student its 100%. It's for us to take it or not. It's an option everyone has. In UT, we had a great time. We laughed, we cracked jokes, we had wonderful breaks together, and we also studied.
UT's all the faculty, even the supporting staff was very cooperative. Whenever we used to call them, they used to give proper information about her progress. They called us for topper sessions and even gave her many papers to solve and during the exam. So and they corrected the papers on time and gave her proper guidance to even improve.